Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on Temu iOS app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the app and I'm going to open this. So as you can see, I've already downloaded this app from the App Store. So let's click on this. So now simply we have to click on this and I'm going to, as you can see now, this is the app. So simply we have to cut that. And now we have to allow this. I'm going to click on the allow here. So as you can see now, this is the Temu here if you want to sign in. So now simply we have to click on the sign in option. As you can see, I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So let's click on the continue with Google. And now we have to choose the email address, that which email address you want to continue with. For example, I'm going to choose an email address. So as you can see, for example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on this. And now we have to click on this continue again. And as you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds again. So as you can see now, account is created on the Temu. Now it's ready to use. If you want to check out everything, everything is provided here. If you want to go to the U section, you have to click on the U. And now as you can see, your profile is here. You can check out everything like coupons, offers, credit balance, plan, and everything is provided here. And you will get the deals as well. As you can see here, you will see the free shipping and the price adjustment within 30 days. So you can adjust everything. So in this way, you can create your account on the Temu. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.